Let's find out how to nail every cold email subject line you write. What's up guys, I'm Veronica from Woodpecker, where we analyze thousands of cold emails sent by us and our clients from various industries and agencies. Trust me, the emails with the highest open rates follow specific rules, and I'm here to share them with you. In this video we are talking subject lines, so how to write them, what to avoid, and what examples work for our clients. Even if your email is amazing, it won't matter if no one reads it, and getting people to open emails starts with the subject line. Funny enough, it could be the easiest part of writing cold emails when you know how to do it. So let's dive right into it. You want to write subject lines that get your emails read and your products sold. And I need you to tell you that the best approach you can think is to not overthink it. Why? Because the three qualities of strong subject lines are: be honest and clear. Your subject line should accurately reflect the content of your email. No one likes to be misled, especially at the beginning of your conversation. Be direct. Aim for just 2-3 words. Short subject lines are more impactful and easier to read quickly in a crowded inbox. Be boring. You can consider writing all lowercase, as it's easier to stand out in the crowded inbox. Also, people are more likely to respond when they see a regular, not salesy email. So remember, nothing crazy here. Okay, but there are also some bad examples and things you want to avoid, like emojis. These can make your email look spammy and less professional. Questions. It's all about keeping it clean and simple. Let people know what to expect right from the subject line. Do not make them answer your questions right at the start. Keep it effortless. Numbers. I would say let's save them for the email body, where they can provide more context. Extra marks. Avoid exclamation marks, hashtags, and dollar signs as they look spammy. Buzzwords. For example, improve, efficient, optimize. These are overused and often ignored. Clichés and trending phrases like quick question. I bet that at least once in your life you have received an email with such subject line. Yep, overused. Okay, enough with the bad ones. Instead, keep your language natural and genuine. This helps make your email look less like a marketing pitch and more like a conversation. It needs to be easy to read and clear. It really is not that complicated, and if you feel like you spend hours coming up with a subject line, you're probably trying too hard and overthinking it. Craft your subject line as if you were sending it to a colleague. This personal touch can make your email feel more relatable and important. I promised you examples, so here we are. These right here show how straightforward and effective your subject line can be. They work because they're direct and clear. When you use a subject line like this, it's very important to connect it to your entire email. But I bet you know this, as I stressed it enough in this video. We don't want to trick people into opening our email. Relevant and clear messages, not clickbaits. So, to summarize, how to write a good subject line. Make it quick and easy to read. Let people know what to expect in the email. Keep the natural tone. Make it sound like an internal email. Do not overcomplicate things. Okay, we are done here, but no subject line or email will be read by your prospects if you go to the spam folder. Many focus on writing a good email copy, while very few understand how to send those emails. That is why I want to make sure you watch our other video about how to improve cold email deliverability. This way you can ensure that your technical setup is correct and that your perfect emails are going straight to the main inbox. Give us thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell to get notified when we post a new video, which we do regularly to reveal the cold email secrets, and see you next time!